In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there stood an old, quiet house. It had seen many seasons come and go, and it held secrets within its worn walls. The people in the town often spoke in hushed tones about the mysterious events that had taken place there. One warm summer's day, a curious girl named Lily decided to explore the house. She had heard the stories but was not afraid. With courage in her heart, she pushed open the creaky door and stepped inside. The air was still, and dust danced in the sunlight that filtered through the aged curtains. Lily walked slowly, her eyes wide with wonder. She felt like a silent witness to the history that lived in every corner. As she climbed the creaking stairs, she noticed faded photographs lining the walls. They captured moments of laughter, of families gathered together, and of children playing in the yard. It seemed the house had once been filled with happiness and love. In one room, Lily discovered a dusty old journal. Its pages were filled with delicate handwriting, sharing tales of days long gone. She read about the children who had grown up within these walls, the laughter that had echoed through the hallways, and the dreams they had woven together. But as the entries went on, the words grew sad. Lily learned about challenges the family had faced, and how they had to leave the house they loved. It was a story of loss and change, of saying goodbye to a place that held so many memories. Lily closed the journal, feeling a mix of emotions. She realized that the house was more than just wood and stone. It was a silent witness to lives lived, to joys and sorrows shared. From that day on, Lily visited the house often. She cleaned away the dust, tended to the forgotten garden, and brought fresh life to the old rooms. It became a place where people gathered, where stories were told, and where the past was honored. The town, once hushed in fear of the old house, now echoed with laughter and conversation. The silent witness had become a storyteller, sharing the tales of those who had lived within its walls. And in that small town, the house was no longer a mystery. It was a place of connection, a reminder that even in stillness, there is life. It taught Lily and the town that sometimes all it takes is a curious heart to breathe new life into forgotten places.